Life is a beautiful gift, brimming with endless possibilities and moments to treasure. Each day presents an opportunity for growth, discovery, and the creation of memories that'll forever resonate within us. Never forget that you hold the key to charting your own path and embracing every precious moment with unwavering enthusiasm. Take a gentle pause amidst life's whirlwinds and revel in the beauty that surrounds you, the caresses of the sunshine, the symphony of laughter, or the tender embrace of a loved one. Embrace a spirit of gratitude, allowing it to fill your heart and gently transform your perspective on life's marvels.